We're a region of rich cultures, proud histories, and resilient people. But we are also very small nations, scattered and vulnerable. No single island can face the future alone, not economically, environmentally, or politically. That is why regional and economic integration is not just an idea, it is a necessity. When we unite, we create larger markets, one that gives our business room to grow and draws in the kind of investment that no single island on its own can attract. When we unite, we can share resources. Oil from one country, agriculture from another, financial services from another, and still what one lacks, the other provides. When we unite, we are no longer dependent on the powers that once ruled over us. We trade with each other, we build our own systems, we speak with one voice on the global stage. As we face the climate crisis, a threat to every coastline and every community, only together can we prepare, adapt, and protect our future. Integration is the path to economic independence, environmental sustainability, and regional growth. We are not too small to succeed, we are only too divided. The dream of a united Caribbean is not a fantasy, it is our only way forward. Let us stand together, let us build together, because alone we are vulnerable, but together we are powerful.